Hi everyone, let us talk about next concept is IPOs. IPOs, the meaning of IPO is initial public offering. Initial means for the very first time, public means to the general public, and offering means that it's an offer that's been created by the company or by the corporate to the general public. So it shows that how much the company wants to dilute its shareholding, its ownership. Because when a normal person buys some shares of the company, he or she is also buying the ownership of the company. So if I talk about the recent IPO that's launched is Grow's IPO. Grow is in itself a financial services company, means it does all the buying and selling of shares. It's kind of a platform where buying and selling of shares and mutual funds and other financial instruments happen. It's kind of itself a FinServ company which is coming and giving and diluting its shareholding in the National Stock Exchange of India through SEBI, and it's opening and it's offering its first ever IPO. Now, what is the difference between a private company and a listed company? The main difference is that they need to disclose everything: their profits, their losses, their equity share holdings, their EPS, everything, all the transactions, all the ratios. They need to show it to the public because now that's a public limited company. Whereas a private company is always an individual shareholder or some private placement shareholdings where they need not disclose everything to the major public. But if they want to have a loan from the bank, or if they want to diversify their business, and if they want to get some kind of investment from some influential person, for example, any kind of sharks in the Shark Tank, so then they need to disclose their numbers and their ratios and their disclosures to that person. But yes, a public company, it's mandatory for it to disclose everything. So if we continue with the example of Grow, so there is a company named Billion Brains Garage Ventures Limited that was incorporated on 9th of January 2018, and it was a private limited company, means it was privately held, and its parent company was Grow, which was incorporated on 4th of December 2017. What happened in March 2024? At on 28th of March 2024, this Grow Limited was amalgamated into Billion Brains Garage Ventures Limited, and now the IPO that's been listed on SEBI through this company only, that's Billion Brains Garage Ventures Limited.